Hey guys, Ella here from Zeke. In this video, I am going to go over some surprising items that are actually doing well on eBay. And these videos are to just give you some ideas of products that you can be selling in your eBay store to make a profit. I'm super excited to show you this list, but before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. That way you can get notified on every new video that we post. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to jump into the product research of Zeke Analytics, and in the search bar we're going to type in Pokemon cards. Once we have our keywords in the search bar, we're going to go ahead and click on search. Now once we get all of these results, we're going to go ahead and click on Zeke Selection, and we will get all of the stats for Pokemon cards on eBay very shortly. Alright guys, so now you can see the stats for Pokemon cards. We have a sales earnings of over $15,000. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new product research because I want to show you something when it comes to writing the word Pokemon. So remember, the stats here for sales earnings are over $15,000. Now here in our other product research, we're going to go ahead and type in Pokemon cards again, but we're going to write this as a regular E, and we're going to go ahead and click on search. Here we're going to select all items and click on Zeke Selection. Now remember, here the sales earnings are over $15,000 with the word Pokemon written as it's supposed to be. And over here the sales earnings are a little bit more higher when Pokemon is, let's say, not written the right way. And the average product price is higher. You can see that it's $18.22, and over here we have $14.68. So also try to keep that in mind when selling Pokemon cards on eBay. Now here, when we scroll down to the product list, the products are pretty much the same as here, but the stats are a little bit different. The first three items in this product list under the keywords Pokemon cards are the same right here when you write Pokemon, let's say, the incorrect way. And what's super interesting is that this seller here, with a feedback score of 827, which is pretty low, sold his item or items 101 times lifetime sales for $15.99. Now when we go ahead and click on the title, it will open it up on eBay, and this way we'll get more information. So here you can see that 1,311 sold for $15.99. There is a $17.60 international shipping cost, but this is a great price for Pokemon cards. Alright guys, so now we're going to do our search on trading cards. Again, in the Zeke product research, you write trading cards in the search bar. At the top, you go ahead and click on search. Once all of the items come up, you're going to select all of them and click on Zeke Selection. Alright, so the stats for trading cards are over $35,000 in sales earnings, and an average product price for trading cards is $58. Let's now scroll down to the product list. Now these trading cards are mostly sports such as baseball, basketball, and so on. And what I always do is try to look for sellers with a low feedback score so that I can be in competition with them because it makes the most sense. So right here you have a seller with a feedback score of 252, which is super low, and he managed to sell his item 42 times, which is lifetime sales, for $85.99. And looking at these other prices here, it's the most expensive price. So let's go ahead and click on it to open it up on eBay. So here you can see that there are 10 more of these items available, and these are 2019 to 2020 Panini Chronicles NBA Basketball Blaster Box. It's brand new, sealed, so that also plays a role in the price. So also when you try to look for some of these items, make sure you look for sealed boxes, brand new items, because you can make a great profit off of it depending on how much you pay for it. So again, 10 available, 50 sold for $85.99, and there is a shipping price of $15.21 for international shipping. Alright guys, so that was a quick eye-opener on how you can make a nice buck selling Pokemon cards or trading cards, sports cards on eBay. It's very important you do all of your information before selling these items on eBay. And it's really important that you get the items for a good price, or maybe you have someone who used to collect these cards and kept them in really nice condition but don't want them anymore. And maybe you can get them for free. Just be sure to get all of your research done to see what cards are being sold the most. So if you found this video useful and helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That way you can get updated on every new video that we release. Thanks guys, have a good one, and I'll see you next time.